A drone attack targeting junta troops preparing for an offensive from Yeyu town towards nearby villages in Sagaing region killed 6 soldiers, including a military officer, according to a spokesperson from the Yeyu Township People's Defense Force, PDF, speaking to Yangon Kit Thit News. The incident occurred around 10:30 a.m. on September 14th, as junta forces were reportedly gathering at the Gawi Park Gate on the western edge of Yeyu town, preparing to launch an assault on surrounding rural areas. During this preparation, resistance forces launched a drone strike, dropping bombs on the military troops. As a result of the attack, 6 junta soldiers, including 1 officer, were killed and 4 others sustained serious injuries, according to the same PDF source. The operation was jointly conducted by Shwibo District Battalion 14, Shwibo District Battalion 9, and the drone unit from the Butalan PDF.